Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back to another video. I'd like to welcome back all my subscribers and all my new viewers. This is the channel where we talk about my top stocks. We also talk about dividend stocks, and we're excited today to present to you the top stocks of the day. Okay, so it is earnings season week, and we had a really good week. We had several stocks heat up. Right now, I'm going to go over some of the hotter stocks. Today, we had SoFi. SoFi Technologies was up 5.37%. We also had Palantir. Palantir was up 18%. Okay, so this is post-earnings call. Palantir Technologies was up 18%. Some other stocks that rebounded today was NVIDIA was up 2.59%, as well as AMD and Apple. Okay, so we had a good day in the market. Pretty much stocks were hot after Jerome Powell yesterday decision to leave rates. Okay, so he decided not to hike rates yesterday, and therefore the stock market saw positive news, and the 10-year T-note yields went down as well. So after the news yesterday, the market rallied quite a bit after Jerome Powell said he did not believe they needed a hike, okay, a rate hike. So if we read here, it says, Powell says household and small business balance sheets may be stronger than originally thought. Okay, so that gives him the idea that basically inflation is beginning to be under control. Okay, so that was the breaking news yesterday. Off that news, the market continued to rally. Now let's take a look at Robinhood really quickly. Robinhood in the market, this particular portfolio went up quite a bit. Okay, as I mentioned, the Robinhood was on a hot streak today. Robinhood portfolio was up 3.28% for a gain of $73. Okay, so basically, after the negative news of Powell, we saw 2 weeks ago the market fall down. Okay, so if we look at the portfolio 2 weeks ago, around October, this portfolio was down quite a bit. Okay, so we were down over 9% in October. But after the positive news of Jerome Powell saying pausing rates, the market hiked today over 3.28%. And some of those stocks that jumped today quite a bit was Shopify. Okay, let's take a quick look at Shopify. Shopify's shares were up over 20% today. Now, I know that wasn't the highest, but Shopify today was up over 22% on positive news. Okay, so Shopify today shares were up over 22%. Nice move for Shopify. Okay, so if you're a Shopify long-term shareholder, you earned your money back today. Okay, now let's take a look at other stocks in the portfolio that did well as well. Let's see here. Ford was up 2% today. What else do we have here? Tesla. Okay, so Tesla shares were up today quite a bit, up 5% today. Again, tech stocks have got a rally ever since news of pausing interest rates. Okay, so today Tesla was up over 6.26%. Okay, so that was good news for Tesla. And Elon Musk, again, he's leading the way. Shares up over 6.26%. Okay, and finally we go over to the Robinhood. And here we are in the TD Ameritrade account today. Again, like I said, with pausing rates, that gave stockholders of tech companies something to think about. Positive news, lower interest rates, or just a pause on interest rates after several months of hiking rates, mortgage rates at 7 to 8.25%. Again, the Fed has decided to pause rates. Okay, so today the portfolio here, the TD Ameritrade account, was up 3.49% for a gain of $1,200. Tesla leading away, up over 5.12%. Also, SoFi Technology did have earnings call on Monday, and they were up 7.52% for a gain of $217. Also, Palantir Technologies up 19% for a gain of 63. And One Main Financial, another dividend-paying stock, was up 5.17 for a gain of $43. Okay, so those were some good gains. Some stuff that I may sell, actually. ChargePoint is pretty much trading as a penny stock. I think it's rest in peace. This thing 3 years ago was trading at $22, and now it's down to $2.87. Okay, so pretty much Tesla has a strategy to take over all charging stations. So there's pretty much no market share for ChargePoint at this time. So they are raising funds, but right now ChargePoint has seen over 70% drop in value, from $10 share down to $2.50. Okay, but also another positive gain today. COP, ConocoPhillips was up 4.59%. If you know oil has been doing good for the last 6 months. It is a good dividend paying stock as well. Okay, so those were some top stocks. And again, ChargePoint, I had started selling it last week at $5 a share. It's now down to $2.50 a share. Okay, let's look at some opportunities, some losers on the day. Okay, today you could have picked up Apple after hours. Of course, Apple is down slightly, 1.32%. Last week, I actually picked some Apple up for $160-something, but this week it gained a little bit of momentum. Remember, they did release the new Apple iPhone 15, the Titan, but they only had 1 week or about 1 month's worth of revenue sales basically on the earnings call. Okay, so Apple's shares did fall today after hours, 1.32%. Again, Apple's still a great buy. Almost $1 trillion company. Look for Apple to make some moves after Christmas, after the majority of iPhone sales may take place. Okay. Also, Okta may have been an opportunity. It is a cloud security authentication authorization. It is possibly that they got hacked. A major hack happened last quarter, so that could be a reason why the shares are falling right now. AMD, a slight pullback after yesterday being up over 10%. Today they're up, they're down slightly, 0.59%. Okay, but still trading roughly around $100 per share. AMD, remember, they have a strategy for artificial intelligence as well. Okay, so those are some interesting stocks. Again, the top stock today was Tesla. Tesla up over 5.22% for a gain of 515. SoFi up 7.52% for a gain of $217. So those were my hot stocks today. Again, if you're into Palantir, that's good. Again, remember 2 years ago, we saw this thing jump from $10 to $22. But that's if you like Palantir Technologies. My main stock I'm rolling with right now is SoFi. SoFi and Tesla. Those are the hot stocks that I think are making strategy moves for years to come. Okay, so that was my video. I want to thank everybody for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Good night.